Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today in this video we will learn how to make everyone an attendee with Microsoft new features. So let's start. I will join a meeting. Click on meet now. After joining the meeting, you can see the options here. Participants. Open this option. As you can see right now, I am the only participant in this meeting because this is a trial meeting. So these new two options you can see right now appearing in Microsoft desktop application version. These options are not available in Microsoft web based version. So click on this options and it will let you go on web interface, and there you can mark the setting. As you can see, these options are now available in your web browser. You can change the options. For example, this first option is who can bypass the lobby. If you are inviting some guest and they are leaving your class and they are leaving your meeting, then they are coming back, they generally come into your lobby. So the default option is people in my organization can bypass the lobby, means the people you know already, they can pass the lobby. Let the caller to bypass the lobby. You want to set it yes or no according to your need. Then the third option is to announce when caller join or leave. You will get a notification when someone joining your meeting and when someone is going out. And the fourth option is very useful. How can present. Right now by default this option is select everyone can present. If everyone can be a presenter, then they use their rights to mess the class and mess the meeting. Options from this option you can select only me. When you select only me, then the only one person you can be a presenter, everyone will be attendee by default. Click on save. When you click on save, everyone will be attendee. So the second option is to download the attendance. When you finish your meeting, you can click on this button to download the attendance. When the attendance file is downloaded, you can find this file in your file section and under the download section here. Here you can find the attendance sheet. See all the detail, who has attended your meeting, what time they sign in and what time they sign out. Every detail is mentioned in Microsoft Excel file. I hope today in this video you have learned a lot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel so that you can get my upcoming videos in your notification. Don't forget to press the bell icon.